I decided to ask them where they were from, because they said they were coming from Rajasthan. They were like, oh, we're coming from Pushkar. She's like, yeah, my friend's there, like, how is it? I want to go there and meet up with them. And they were like, yeah, we hated it. We spent like one day there. There's nothing to do there. It's only like temples and lake. And she was like, fuck it, definitely my kind of place.
Right. Not
because these people want to skip it and only stay there for a day.
Right.
So it definitely sounds like my kind of place. And I was like, it is. I was like, only like hippies and like old people and like pilgrimage people.
Yeah, you had me at hippies.
Indian pilgrims.
Yeah.
Like it was fucking amazing.
Yeah.
vibe in combination.
Yes,
Yep.
one of my favorite things about
This the market.
I saw that shit too. You had monkeys on
Yeah,
your
dude.
fucking head.
I've got monkeys all
I
around.
got monkeyed, but I'd say the markets here are probably maybe the best I've seen in Asia. Like the
Vibe, yeah.
Like I'm just saying like what's available like in terms of clothing. I know.
More
Actually,
beautiful clothes, more beautiful jewelry, cheap too. Yeah, if you want to grab some fucking silver, it's cheap here.
yeah. And then there's like
It's always an investment. You can sell silver even in.
there's also like good scents just everywhere, like smells.
Dude, I've smelled the best smells I've smelled in this town.
Oh, there's if you want to grab something, I'll show you a shop that we're gonna pass by,
Yeah.
and you're gonna be like, bro, what is this? I'm buying some stuff.
Yeah. Cool.
It smells?
Yeah.
It
Indian
smells.
essential oils.
Oh, word.
Like in India, they have oils instead of perfumes. Back in the day, they used to use these oils that would smell really good.
I still prefer them oils.
Them oils.
Damn oils.
Them oils.
So I thought my parents had been to India. I remember, I like clearly had this whole memory of them going to India for a month. My dad told me last night he's never been to India. I was like, what?
Damn, dude.
And the weird thing is that I vividly remember them showing me pictures. It must have been another country. I just
Assumed it was India.
I had one of those, like 2 years ago, firm in my mind they were India. And I guess I'm just completely wrong.
That's crazy.
It's really weird. It feels like the Mandela effect. Where I'm like, I fucking swear, dude,
Bernstein
I didn't hear about
Bears.
the fucking trip.
Yeah. CERN split us into a new reality, man. Yeah, this is the incense shop, huh? Or
करवाना एक टेस्ट उनको दिखाना है.
Very soft और बहुत अच्छे हैं, white musk.
Can I try?
And just for men is special for men.
Damn, that smells good, dude.
This one,
Try that.
this is specially for men.
Don't try
Especially for men.
Don't try too many, or else you'll be like me.
Amazing. I go, give me more.
You said it. I needed to hear that. Thanks.
All right, take care, man. I'll be back here.
You want to
So-
about that?
yeah.
That's some serious gold. Liquid gold, that's the other kind of liquid gold.
There's a couple of kinds we're looking for.
Smells so good. If you just put a little bit on it and then start like just rub it around you, and it's like it stays on you almost all day.
Yeah, there's like food everywhere. Cool little patches. A lot of patches. And then there's this like dolly shop, which seems really cool. But Indian head massage there. Dolly shop up there.
Actually, sorry, you might like that store up the stairs.
Yeah.
Last night I going to psytrance. It looks like I have some of those trippy psychedelic shirts.
Yeah, no, they
like.
they definitely do. You could hear it from the outside.
So this is the place for lassi.
This is the Sano juice. Sano juice, the Bang lassi. And then,
Pharmacy scout.
what temple is that?
I'm not sure of that one.
The badass poncho people, poncho place,
Yeah,
the poncho palace,
Serious poncho game.
poncho
They're
game
like
on fleek.
300 rupees. Or 200 it was. For a poncho.
Yeah.
Pretty good price.
Monkey. Oh, look at that. Damn. Monkey's going ham.
Alright. Make noise.
Party.
Corn's best friend.
You want to try it over here?
Well, no, but this could be the golden ticket.
I got the golden ticket.
All right, time to end this video. I think we got to our destination.